Establishing neural link. Neural link established. Rifleman Jack Cooper, you are now confirmed as acting pilot of BT-7274. Protocol 2, uphold the mission. Our orders are to resume Special Operation 217. Rendezvous with Major Anderson at the SRS. I'm detecting incoming enemy forces. Protocol 3, protect the pilot. Reinitializing critical systems. Vortex shield online. The Vortex shield catches incoming rounds and missiles. Release the button to launch any captured objects back at the enemy. Pilot, the Acolyte pod is online. This shoulder-mounted rocket pod will lock onto multiple enemy targets. The longer you hold down the button, the more locks you will achieve. Neuralink complete. Primary weapon control and motion link re-established. Pilot, enemy Titanfall detected. We will have to fight our way to safety. Get ready.
Great. Just gotta kill a few bad guys.
A positive attitude can only improve our situation.
Militia Titan spotted, chassis number BT-7274. Taking fire.
Down. Well done, pilot. Our combat effectiveness rating has increased. Pilot, I detect more IMC salvage teams on the way. Our only chance of survival is to uphold our mission of rendezvousing with Major Anderson. Until then, you and I are on our own. Marking your HUD. We must move quickly. Pilot, the IMC will continue to search for us. Our only chance of survival is to rendezvous with Major Anderson. "60 clicks from our current location. We will have to improvise and adapt if we wish to survive."
This is Warpath 3-2. We're taking heavy casualties down here. Any militia forces, please assist. We've suffered heavy losses. Got a friendly Vanguard last night. That BT? Good to see you, Captain. We could use some help. End of the line, pilot.
We tighten down.
Like that. There's more where that came from. Bollocks, you're no pilot.
First core ready. Enemy Titan down.
my turn to kill an SRS pilot.
First core activated. Enemy Titan down.
Thanks for the assist, sir. We'll secure this area.
Pilot, this Titan weapon is an advanced design and may give us a tactical advantage.
I think somebody's in love.
A human's concept of love requires admiration, attraction, devotion, and respect. Conclusion: I am 50% in love. Pilot, with the tone loadout, we can lock onto enemies and target them with tracking rockets. This will be useful in direct combat. Through this facility is blocked by a flow regulation gate. There should be a control interface nearby. Our path through this facility is blocked by a flow regulation gate. There should be a control interface nearby.
Caution, hazardous waste may cause severe injury or death. The wearing of a hazmat suit is required at all times. Hazardous waste dump now filled with automated testing facility, Zone 1.
I'm engaging hostile infantry.
Hostile pilot, repeat! Hostile pilot in area! Hostile pilot, non-visual! 13 hostile tanks spotted!
site engaged. Opening flow regulation gate. Warning, toxic fumes dispersing in main chamber. Activating control room safety airlock procedures.
Pilot, the safety airlock has sealed you in the control room. You must find another way out. We have no choice but to split up.
Got it. I'll find a way out.
A nearby exit will most likely lead further into the reclamation facility. Pilot, I am tracking your location. Recommend you seek an exit.
You got it, BT. You do the same.
Copy that, pilot.
Pilot building below.
Listen up. This is Kane. What we have here, my IMC and militia friends, is a failure to communicate. And that's okay. That's okay. That's all good.
Who was that?
Accessing files. Kane, a mercenary commonly affiliated with the Apex Predators, a well-known narcotics user and supplier.
Hey, what's up with Kane?
Plenty militia left in the facility, just so you know, this is Kane's place. You're welcome to stay as long as it takes to kill you. Which, by the way, not be long.
Facility. The IMCF still mechanized infantry. We're trapped.
Pilot, I'm detecting friendly militia forces along your path. They may need assistance.
Captain, I see something moving by the pipe. Eyes up. It's a friendly pilot. Captain, we got a friendly militia pilot. Hold your fire. He's SRS. Look at his helmet.
Good to see a good pilot, sir. Our squad is taking a beating. They could use some help up ahead. This ought to take care of those stalker bastards. Moving in on militia!
Attention, there is a depleted prowler in Construction 3A, requesting immediate removal.
I feel like we've been walking for days.
Do you require rest?
No.
Good. There is no time for rest. We must uphold the mission.
Automated testing facility, Dome 2.
There's some Vanguard-class Titan and an SRS pilot taking out my IMC support. Whoever you are, not bad. Not bad at all, my friend. I just hope you're better than the last one I killed.
I don't see anything! He's on to me!
Exterior drainage pumps switched to primary systems.
Kane, come in. There's a Vanguard class Titan in the facility. I think it's SRS.
You think it's SRS? All Vanguards are SRS, you idiot. If you can't handle the job, I will.
Hazardous waste pumps now filtering automated testing facility.
Pilot, exercise caution.
You too, BT. Where are you?
I'm following the stream of sludge. The current is strong up ahead, suggesting an exit. Keep moving forward. Our paths will intersect just up ahead.
Missing me already?
I was not shooting at you. That would be in violation of Protocol 3.
Never mind. good to see you, buddy.
It is good to see you too, pilot. The controls to deactivate the sludge flow are in the next chamber, marking your HUD.
Block 14! Pilot spotted! Weapons free! Contact! We're under attack!
IMC security forces. I guess that's why they pay me the big bucks. You want something done right? You do it yourself. All right, scrubs, enough's enough. I'm coming down.
Not in sight, no shots. The pilot's watching us! Stop! I know this guy. All units, focus fire on that!
We will need to deactivate the sludge flows in order to regroup. I have marked the controls on your HUD.
Overriding pump filter system. Emergency shutdown initiated.
Drop in the ticks! Flush him out!
Hand the ball airborne. Releasing teams.
Pump shutdown sequence at 20%.
Sludge falls contain a high concentration of heavy metals. They are interfering with my targeting systems.
How hard can it be? Just shoot!
Blind firing into my pilot's combat zone would be a violation of Protocol 3.
Hand the ball airborne. Releasing teams.
Down the full ground, propelling in.
Level 5 airborne. All stations. Releasing teams.
Pump shutdown sequence at 40%. At 50%. Pump shutdown sequence at 80%. Shutdown sequence at 90%.
Commencing supporting fire. Danger close. Pilot, that was a difficult battle. You handled yourself well. I have noted it for the record. I have identified an exit on this side. This way. Transferring controls to pilot. Protocol 2. Uphold the mission. Our orders are to resume Special Operation 217. Rendezvous with Major Anderson of the SRS.
You were not invited to Kane's party, and that's why you're dead. Well, another runaway hero with an SRS Vanguard class Titan. Woo! Now we're talking. Bring it, knife to a knife fight.
Let's get this party started, scrub.
Stay out of Kane's thermite residue. It causes heavy damage. First floor.
Walk away, scrub, just walk away. Only a matter of time before I rip you out of that cockpit anyway. You gotta sleep sometime. Okay, not bad. Not bad, huh? Challenge Kane and Kane fires back. Oh, this is good. It's real good. It's real good. I'm so going to enjoy taking that Titan from you, scrub.
Excessive damage. Warning. Warning.
Like that? Yeah? Feeling it?
Detecting hull damage. First floor ready. Well done, pilot. Kane's helmet radio is still intact. We should retrieve it. Pilot mode engaged.
Kate, how copy? Over. Come in, Kate! Kate, do you read? Our ground spots are down!
IMC have almost sealed the Ark. It's time to prepare the Draconis.
Copy. Got myself 3 captured militia. What should I do with them?
Just kill him.
No! Don't!
I'm on my way. Slow now.
The ability to decrypt enemy communications has a strong history in warfare. This will work to our advantage. In order to survive, we must keep moving.